Hi friends and welcome. So now today as I'm reading these, please make sure that you take the notes, and at the same time please make sure that you practice whether that's your pronunciation and your accent as well. So now we are talking about all of these are actually a conversation starters. One of the most conversation starters, I think these are from beginner to advanced English. Now, if you are an advanced English level, maybe intermediate or even beginner, so don't worry because all of these are gonna help you to boost your confidence and your vocabulary as well, and even your pronunciation to be able to speak with more like a native English accent, whether that's British pronunciation, because I do focus quite a lot on a modern RP here. Now, as I read along, please make sure that you take away the vocabulary and at the same time, make sure that you are focusing on your pronunciation. Mimic my pronunciation, the way I speak and the way I pronounce words, so that hopefully by the end of this session, you know what to say when you are at the coffee shop, even at a restaurant, or even asking for directions. Whether that's you live in the UK at the moment or outside the UK, I think these phrases will definitely help you to actually boost your confidence. Okay, now without furthering around, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, beginner level, everyday basic survival English. Now, at a shop, now these are the vocabulary that you have to use when you are at a shop. Now, for example, if you go to a shop, you say hello, hi. That's a worker, people who's working in the shop, for example. Hi, can I help you? Can I help you? Yes, please. How much is this? It's £5. Okay, I'll take it. Thank you. You're welcome. You are welcome, or you're welcome. At Café. Hello. Hi. What would you like? What would you like? One coffee, please. Anything else? No, thank you. That's £3. Here you go. Asking for directions. Excuse me? Yes. Where's the station? Go straight and turn left. Thank you. No problem. Well, this is about elementary level actually. Now, elementary level is basically a little bit about it, and yeah, so we've got here the shop conversation so far. We've got a shop conversation. Well, so now what we have here is, hi, excuse me, how much is this one? That's 7. That one is £7.50. Okay. Do you have a similar size? Yes, I'll check for you. Thank you. I appreciate it. At Café. Chat. Cafe chat. Hi. Could I get cappuccino, please? Sure. Anything else? No, that's all for me. That's all for now. Thanks. That will be £350. Here you go. Have a nice day. Small talk. Busy day today, isn't it? Yes. Is it? It is. Very busy. Where are you heading? Where are you heading, or where are you heading? Just going home. I'm a bit tired today. Well, now this is about intermediate level. Now we've got here the conversation flow. Actually, we have got the shop conversation. Hello, or what were you going to say? Hi. Hi, hello, doesn't really matter. I'm looking for this in a different size. Do you have it? Let me check in the back. One moment. Yeah, sure. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yes, we have one left. Perfect. I'll take it. Now, we have got the cafe conversation. Now, you've got a conversation in the cafe. Hi. Can I have a cappuccino with less sugar, please? Of course. Anything to eat? Not today. Just the drink. No problem. It will be ready in a few minutes. Great, thank you. Then what we have got here, asking for help. If you're asking for help, now, excuse me, I think I'm lost. Is this the right way to the station? You are close. Go straight, then take the second right. Oh, I see. How far is it? How far is it? About 5 minutes. Perfect. Thank you for your help. Well, now we've got intermediate level. Here we've got the more natural plus confident flow. Now we have got a short conversation. We get starting by hello or greeting hi. Do you have this in a medium? I couldn't find it anywhere. Let me double check that this took for you. No rush, thank you. Yes, we've got one left in the back. Great, I'll take it. That was lucky. Well, cafe conversation. Okay, we've got a cafe conversation here. Hi. Oh, hello. Oh, hi. Well, could I get a cappuccino, please? Not too hot, if possible. Sure, no problem. It's quite busy today, isn't it? Yes, it's been non-stop. I can't imagine. Friendly talk. Okay, so now this is a friendly talk. Be nice to people. A long day. Yeah, a bit. I've been running around all morning. Stranger. Hope you get some rest later. Definitely, I need it. Well, we've got now advanced level. Now that's about intermediate and beginner. It's gone now, but what we've got here focusing on the advanced level. Either if you want to boost your level of English as well. Shop conversation. Hi. Sorry to bother you. I've been looking for this in a medium, but I can't seem to find it anywhere. Let me just check in the system and see what we've got left. No worries. I really appreciate it. You are in luck. We've got one last piece in stock. That's perfect. I'll take it before it disappears. Now we've got here the cafe conversation. This advanced. Hi. Oh, hello. Could I grab a cappuccino, please? Not too strong, if possible. Sure. We can make it a bit middler for you. Brilliant. Thanks. It's nice to find a quiet moment today. Yeah, it's been pretty hectic. Well, now here this word hectic actually. If you say it's a bit hectic, that means it's very busy because it's a UK expression, British English expression. Well, I can't imagine this place is always busy around this time. Well, we've got a natural world conversation. A natural world conversation. Excuse me, sorry to bother you. I think I might be slightly lost. Is the station far from here? Yeah, you're actually quite close. Just down that road and turn left. Perfect. That's relief. Okay, I was worried. I went the wrong way. No, you're fine. It is an easy walk. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it. But now my final tip for you guys will be really important tip actually is don't memorize these like a script, okay? Read them out loud and even speak them out loud. Why not? Change the small parts, okay? And then act them in real life. Take action. Go out there, talk to people with these phrases. And that's how the confidence builds automatic, right? That's how you become confident speaker, and that's how you actually build your confidence from day-to-day life. Now, that's all about it. And if you have got any questions, please do let me know in the comment section below. If you have got any recommendations as well, that would be really appreciated, guys. Let me know. And please like, subscribe, and as well engage, comment below what's your level of English. And yeah, I'm happy to help, whether that's your pronunciation, vocabulary, and even overall. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye.